Unlocking the mystery of "in the meantime." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of a very common but often misunderstood phrase, "in the meantime." Stick around as we explore how this phrase can be a powerful tool in your English communication arsenal. "In the meantime" is a phrase that refers to the period of time between two events. It's used to talk about what happens or what someone should do during that interval. The beauty of this phrase lies in its ability to succinctly describe the passing of time and the actions within that period without specifying the exact moments. It's like saying, while we wait for something else to happen, this is what's going on. To truly grasp the essence of "in the meantime," let's dissect it. "In the" suggests being inside or during a particular period. "Meantime" combines "mean," implying intention or purpose, with "time," indicating a specific duration. Together, they suggest a period with a purpose or a specific duration meant for certain actions or events to take place. Understanding through examples can make the concept clearer. Let's look at some. 1. You're waiting for your exam results to come out. In the meantime, you can start reading up on the next subjects. 2. Here, "in the meantime," suggests using the waiting period productively by preparing for what's next. 3. The main road is closed due to construction. In the meantime, use the alternative route provided. 4. This example shows "in the meantime" being used to offer a temporary solution until the main issue is resolved. While "in the meantime" is versatile, it's crucial not to confuse it with similar phrases like "meanwhile" or "at the same time." Though they can sometimes be used interchangeably, "in the meantime" often implies a suggestion or an action specific to the duration between events, while "meanwhile" can be more about parallel actions without the emphasis on the waiting period. And there you have it. Understanding the phrase, "in the meantime," can significantly enhance your English communication by allowing you to express the concept of an interim period with ease and clarity. We hope this video sheds light on how you can use this phrase effectively in your daily conversations and writing. Don't forget to practice, and, in the meantime, keep exploring and enjoying the journey of English learning. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.